Welcome to JOACHIM tutorials. Today we are going to draw a fan using measurement machine. We start by double clicking the JOACHIM icon. So the part which we are going to draw is this one. So we wait for some seconds for it to open. So now we can select an part or go to file, select new, click OK. I'm going here to apply a scene. So I would like to use plain white. Go to top plane, sketch. Now I'm going to draw two cycles. I'm going to smart dimension them. Here should be 380. Click OK. And this one should be 40. Click OK. Go to features, select extruded balls or base. Here I'm going to highlight and type 3. Click OK. Now select this surface, sketch. Before I can convert entities, now select a cycle. Go to smart dimension. I'm going to smart dimension it. Here it is 60 millimeter. So I can go to features, select extruded balls or base. Before I can come here to selected contours, then select this inside part. Here I'm going to highlight and type 50. Click OK. So I'm going to select the front plane, then sketch, draw from this point up to this point to this point somehow. Yeah, you can press escape. You can select a line, draw now from this point to this point to this point to this point. So we are going to features, select extruded balls or base. Now select the drop down menu and select midplane. Here we type 3. Click OK. Now we are going to circular pattern. You see here we have linear pattern. So under it you have a drop down menu. Click on that drop down menu. You have circular pattern. Here on direction, you come select this face here. See number of instances here. You can type 6. Go to features and faces. We select this blade. Click OK. Now I'm going to apply materials. You can click on this anywhere on this pen. Go to appearance, click drop down menu, select part. So go to appearance again, go to metal, you can select chrome and select this. Click OK. Now you see, you can click the asymmetric. My fan is ready, which is using mesh mill. Now can go to save it. I'm going to save it as I would like to save it as part 15, but you can name it as a fan or save as I do. So part 15, save. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for new upcoming videos. Thank you.